Hey friends, welcome to Bay News World.
Here is today's top news.
U.S. tech giants like Google, Meta, and Amazon are under scrutiny for their involvement with Israel's military. Project Nimbus is a $1.2 billion deal to supply cloud technology to Israeli government and military.
This sparked protest among tech workers, leading to the formation of No Tech for Genocide and similar groups, opposing tech used in oppression and surveillance.
A tornado struck Guangzhou, China, killing at least 5 and injuring 33 amidst ongoing severe floods in the region. The disaster damaged 141 factory buildings but spared residential areas. Over 100,000 people have been relocated due to the flooding, which continues to threaten millions. Dubai has launched a $35 billion project to construct a new terminal at Al Maktoum International Airport. It is set to become the world's largest, with a capacity of 260 million passengers every year. Did you know that? This plan for expansion is 5 times the size of the existing Dubai International Airport.
Thank you for tuning in today. Stay informed and stay tuned. Follow us to keep updated with the world news every day.